Good morning, my friend. I'm Mary Howard RN, bringing you another episode of Essentially Yours. And today I want to share with you two teas that we like to make, a morning and an evening tea. Have you ever wondered what they put in early gray tea to make it early gray? They simply take a nice tea and they add bergamot. My favorite Sunday morning tea is to put 1 drop of bergamot and 2 drops of lime. It has an amazing aroma and leaves me feeling energized for my day. Another tea I like at night time is a peach detox. And here it is. And with the peach detox, I like to put 3 drops of wild orange on the tea bag and then make my tea. I hope that's been helpful. The ingredients in our peach detox tea is organic cinnamon bark, ginger, cardamom, burdock, dandelion, clove, licorice, orange peel, dark or yellow burdock root, black pepper, and organic peach. All the ingredients in these are organic, and I love the yogi teas. Anyways, I hope this has been helpful in your day. We look forward to hearing your comments. Like and share if you know somebody that could enjoy this, and have a great day.